inventRight co-founder Andrew Krause here. Pet tech. What is pet tech? Well, it's booming. I interviewed Jacob at the Super Zoo trade show. It's a pet trade show in Las Vegas. And his company is booming. They do automated cat litter boxes and feeders. And they have 700,000 active users of their app and 1.4 million automated litter boxes in the field. It's amazing. This company is booming. They've really exploded after the last 5 years. And the industry is booming. The sub-industry of pet tech is set to grow at an annual growth rate of 22% every year. It's booming. And Jacob is a perfect example of this. So I interviewed him at the show. Let's take a look. Here we go. Hi, we're here with Jacob from Whisker, and we're here at Super Zoo, and I asked him if he could speak for a few minutes about Super Zoo, about the pet industry, about innovation in the industry. So,
I'm Jacob, CEO of Whisker. We make the litter robot, we make the feeder robot, and we have a bunch of other cool products. If you have a cat that poops, you should totally check us out. Been at Whisker for 8.5 years. Been with the company. I was employee 23. We've grown to 585 people now. So as Andrew had asked me about growth in the industry, our company has been able to afford hiring about 560 people since I joined. It's been a really fun journey. We're a non-venture backed business that's been able to bootstrap its company profitably to get to this point. Along the way, the industry's grown quite a bit. For us, we're a direct-to-consumer business, and we were fortunately able to build primarily around a direct-to-consumer model. As we get to the size and scale that we are today, we've grown more into being an omni-channel retail partner, and so we're here at Global meeting with some of our key partners and some of the key partners that we're considering right now. And as we look to the future of our business, I think there's an immense opportunity in pet care to bring innovative products that solve problems for pet parents and that are also just fun to play with for your pets.
How do you feel about the industry in general? Do you believe I talked to another gentleman at the pet toys. He says every year it just gets bigger and bigger. Is that your experience?
Yeah, I think it's a little different for us in that we're building a category. So the category 8.5 years ago, I compared to like Nest's thermostat, where Nest had to build their own future marketplace for the product that they built because nobody was seeking a smart thermostat. The search volume for litter robot is so much greater than the search volume for automatic litter boxes because of the marketing that we've done.
How many users do you have? This is amazing, guys.
We have 700,000 plus users of our mobile app. There's about 1.4 million litter robots out in the field now. And yeah, I think that the industry of pet care is really exciting. I think that when you have really good product market fit, the opportunity is fantastic. I think for us, we focus on solving chores in the household that no human should have to do, like scooping a litter box.
So you heard it from Jacob here. The pet industry is a great industry to be innovative in. So invent pets.